Well, hi and welcome to today's video. So the topic for today is time and present, past and future tense. But the problem is the word tense. Now, teachers use this word tense all the time, but lots of students don't really understand what it means. It's not a word we use every day, it's not even from English. So a good way to think about present tense or past tense or future tense is to take this word away and use this word. So present time, time before now, past time, and time after now, future time. And if you think about it that way, it becomes a whole lot easier than looking at this word tense, which is an old Latin word. So when to use present, past and future tense. Number 2, why do we use them, or how do we use them, and is there a simple guide? Well, there is. 2A, for a simple action, for simple information. So if I say yesterday I went to the movies, it's a very simple idea and it's a very simple action, something to do, easy to explain. So the first one, 2A, is simple action. And 2B, for action at a specific time. Now, specific time is very important because later you have to learn something else which is more difficult. So if you can understand specific time, it's going to help you a lot now and later on. Let's look at some examples. Specific time. Now I'm talking to you. Yesterday I went to the movies. Tomorrow I will go to a department store. Last year I went to Japan for my holidays. Last night I visited my friend last night. Next year I will go to America. Every week I study English, but the grammar is so hard. So each time here we name the time, we give a word to the time. This is very different from saying lately or recently, which is not specific. So to really understand how to use present, past and future time, it's good to link it or connect it to this kind of idea. Now, yesterday, tomorrow, next year or every week. This will help you to understand the idea of specific time and using present tense or present time, past tense or past time, and future tense or future time with simple information happening at a time when you use the word to describe the time. Makes it a lot easier. And believe you me, if you understand this now, it will make things a lot easier later in your grammar. So I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next movie.